Hi, Denise here from Project Frugal. Today I am going to finish off my woodchip pathway. You can see it behind me here. It's been a bit of a work in progress because I've been doing other things in between putting this pathway down, but I'm nearly finished, so today I'm going to get it finished off. What I'm going to do today is just do a little bit of this pathway. You can see I've got to here and I've got a little bit to go. So I'm going to go and get some cardboard and just lay it across these weeds. I'll pull some of these weeds out as much as I can and then just lay the cardboard over top and then just rake the wood chips back over. I've laid 2 more cardboard boxes down, and so now I just need to fill my bucket several times, probably about 3 or 4 times, to cover this little bit over. And we're just going as far back as the concrete, the edge of the concrete here. The woodchip pathway is really nice to walk on, even when it's wet. Don't get dirty shoes. Well, that wraps up this particular project. I've had fun doing this one. If you'd like to see more projects in the future, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification so you know when we've got a new video up. And if you'd like to like our video below, do that as well. Thanks. See ya.